Welcome everyone. I'm going to show you the Box 500. I'm excited to open it up and show you the contents. Keep in mind your configuration may vary based on what you ordered. First thing is you're going to have some padlocks on your box. You might have more than one, but very easy. Press that button and then just open it up and you're good to go. Of course, after putting in the code. You're going to have a total of 7 latches on the box. Let's go ahead and open that up. There's a small little tab on the bottom to get in there. Just pinch it and open it up. Once we open it up inside, you can see we've got some really nice padding on the top. We've got 2 layers in the box, the top layer and the bottom layer. Each of the individual slots where all of these devices are kept are cut out using a water jet process. And we do that so that all the devices remain very safe when we're shipping the box. Let's take a peek at the top layer. On the top section here, you've got all of the badges. These would be your name badges, depending on, again, how many ordered. They're going to be in a really nice seal, and we do that so that we preserve the paper itself. Over here, we have the kiosk or tablet stands. You can see it's just one piece. The base for the tablet stands is on the bottom layer. In this area here, it's more of an L shape. We keep all of the cables, and you're going to notice that every cable in the box is going to have a little tag, and that tag is going to match the hardware that the cable belongs to. We've got your tablet chargers, we've got your handheld scanner chargers, all of that is here, your Ethernet cables. So cables and chargers is here. We do typically provide an extra bag of screws. We understand that you might lose those screws, and you need 1 screw for the actual kiosk stands when you're putting that together. Let's look at these devices here. So right here we've got our handheld scanner. This is what your staff could use to check people in and out. It's got a laser on the top. It's got a credit card terminal over here on the side. And every device comes pre-configured with the EventGen software. Okay, and then these small devices here, these are for processing payments. So this is a credit card terminal. You can touch, you can swipe. But again, all your credit card terminals will be right there. Let's go ahead and remove the top layer and take a peek at the bottom layer. You're going to notice some small little cutouts, one on each side. You can easily put your hands in there, remove the top layer, and that exposes the bottom layer. You've got your iPads here, so these would be again for your kiosk. Notice we have little finger holes to easily take those out. You might have additional chargers in here. Mainly we're going to keep the chargers or the power supplies for the badge printers. You can see the Box 500 holds up to 4 badge printers. We have 2 additional kiosk stands right there. This is your router. The router is amazing. It works on cellular and hardwire Ethernet. We always recommend hardwire Ethernet, but you've got cellular as a backup. And then we double these up, but right in here, these are the bases for your kiosks right over here. And there you go. Let's go ahead and put the top layer back in. We'll close it up. Easily snap on all of the latches. There you go. There's the Box 500, and now we're ready to travel.